Experiencing data problems with your AirTalk Wireless service on your iPhone or Android device? Common causes include incorrect APN settings and signal strength issues. The most frequent fix is adjusting your APN settings. For iPhones, navigate to Settings, then Cellular, Cellular Data Options, Cellular Network, and APN. For Android Samsung devices, go to Settings, Connections, Mobile Networks, then Access Point Names. Enter these correct APN settings. APN is atat.mvno, leave username and password blank. MMSC is im/slash.mobile.at.net. MMSproxy is proxy@mobile.net. MMS port is 80, and APN protocol is at IPv6. Restart your device after making these changes. If your APN settings are correct and you're still experiencing issues, the problem might be signal strength. AirTalk uses AT&T's network, so signal strength affects data reliability. Move to an open area for better reception and disable Wi-Fi calling if you're prioritizing cellular data. Update your carrier settings by going to Settings, General, About on your iPhone, or System Update on your Android. Samsung users can try the Smart Network switch in Settings, Connections, Wi-Fi. If problems persist, iPhone users may need a carrier update via iTunes or Settings. Android Samsung users can try reseating the SIM card or, as a last resort, performing a factory reset. AirTalk's app has a fixed data feature that can resolve many common issues automatically. Remember that software updates can sometimes reset your APN settings, so check them after each update.